My dear students, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you? Grade 2. Let's start our today's lesson. Our today's lesson is lesson number 9 in chapter 9. Explain addition strategies. Okay, our today's lesson, grade 2, is super easy. So let's start by the first question. We know, grade 2, that we have a lot of strategies to add. We take adding by using a number line, by using compensation, partial sums, use models to add. You can draw a quick sketch to get the answer. You can regroup to get the answer. So you have a lot of strategies to answer. Today, we'll answer the question and write the name of the strategy. Okay? So let's start by the first question here. To 274 plus 519. I'll answer this question by using partial sums. Okay, so let's write here. I write here hundreds. Let's write here hundreds. Hundreds. Then I write tens here, tens. Then I write ones. Okay, I write hundreds, tens, ones. In number 274 and 519, how many hundreds? How many hundreds in all? Can you see we have here 200 and here 500. 200s and 500s. 200 plus 500 equals what? Who can answer? I'll choose now this super one whose name is let's choose Ahmed Al-Asali. Hello, Ahmed. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Ahmed, the number 274 and 519. Can you say how many hundreds?
Yes,
How many hundreds?
200 is 100.
Yes, 200s and 500s equals how many hundreds?
Equals 700.
700. So let's write here 700. Okay, very good. So let's write here 700. Let's write hundreds, tens, ones by this way. Grade 2, I write here hundreds, hundreds, tens, okay,
Ones.
Yes, that's right. Now let's write 700. Here we have 700. So let's write 7, 0, 0. Okay. Now, Ahmed, how many tens? How many tens? We have here. How many tens in 274 and how many? Yes, 7 tens and 1. 7 tenths and 1 tenth equals what?
Equals 8.
8 tenths. 8 tenths. 8 tenths
Yes.
means what? Equals what? 8 tenths, Ahmed?
Equals 80.
80. Very good. So let's write 80. In number 80, we have 8 tenths and 0 ones. So let's write here 8 tenths.
Yes.
And yes, and 0 ones. Let's write here 0. Okay. Now, how many ones? How many ones in all?
How many ones?
Yes.
Nothing.
No, we have ones here.
Yes. 9 plus 4.
9 plus 4 equals what number?
13.
13. So let's write 13. In number 13, we have 1 10 and 3 ones. So let's write here 1 and here 3. Okay, that's right. Very good, Ahmed. Now let's get the sum. Let's add. Let's get the sum. How many ones? 0 plus 0 plus 3 equals what number?
3.
Equals 3. So let's write here 3 under ones. Now, how many tenths?
9.
9. So let's write here 9. Now, how many hundreds?
7.
7. So the answer equals 793. What's the name of this strategy, Ahmed?
793.
Yes, it's the sum equals 793. But the name of this strategy is partial sums. Okay, partial sums. Partial sums. Okay. Thank you, Ahmed El Asili. Bye.
Mister,
Yes.
Can you raise your voice?
Okay, Ahmed. Thank you, Ahmed. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Now, my lovely boys, you can use this strategy to get the answer. This is called partial sums. So let's write here. I write here partial sums strategy. Okay. Partial sums. Partial sums strategy. Now let's use another strategy to get the answer. You can use any strategy. You can answer by any strategy. Okay. You can use the number line. You can use place value. You can use. You can make models. Okay. Let's get the answer by using place value strategy. So let's write here 274 plus 519. Okay, now let's take ones plus ones, tens plus tens, and hundreds plus hundreds. Who can get the answer now? I choose Adam Muhammad Atiyah. Hello Adam, how are you?
Fine, thank you.
Adam, let's get 274 plus 519 by using place value strategy. So 4 plus 9 equals what number? 4 plus 9? 13, but we can't write all the numbers, so let's write 3 and carry up 1. Now we have 3 and carry up 1. Now 1 plus 7 plus 1 equals what number?
9.
9, very good. So let's write here 9. 2 plus 5 equals what number? 2 plus 5. 2 plus 5 equals 7. So the answer equals also 793. The name of this strategy, Adam, place value strategy. Place value strategy.
Okay.
Place value strategy. Okay? Adam, you're excellent boy. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
So my lovely boys, you can answer by any strategy. You can use partial sums to get the answer. You can use place value to get the answer. You can use the number line, an open number line to get the answer. Any strategy. Okay. Now let's answer the next question. If you don't write, please write quickly. Grade 2. Now let's move to the next page to answer the next question. In the next page, we have this example here, 395 plus 128. Here, can you see, do you remember this lesson here when we add 5 to make 100 number? If we add 5, we have to subtract 5 from the next number. This is called compensation. So you can use compensation to get the answer. We can use number line also to get the answer. Okay, now let's answer question number 1. Choose a strategy to solve. Explain how you solve. Okay, 379 plus 240. Let's use the number line to get the answer. Okay, who can use the number line to get 379 plus 240? I choose the super one whose name is Omar Islam. Hello, Omar. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Omar, I'll use the number line to get the answer. Okay, let's use the number line. This is the number line. Let's start by the first number, 379. So I write here 379. Now we have how many hundreds in 240?
2.
2. So let's take 2 steps by hundreds. 1, 2. Okay. Let's write here plus 100 plus 100. Here 100 and here 100. Okay. Now how many tens?
4 tens and 0 1.
4 tens. It means take 4 steps by 10. 4 tens. 10, 10, 10, 10. Okay? So let's write here 10, 10, 10, 10, 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. Because we have 4 tens. 4 tens means plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. 4 times. How many ones, Omar?
0.
0. So no more steps. Okay? Now let's count. Are you ready to count?
Yeah.
Okay. 379 plus 100 equals what?
479.
479. That's right. 479.
579.
579. Okay, now 579 plus 10 equals what?
500.
Plus 10. Add 1 to 10.
189.
Yes, that's right. 589. Now 589 plus 10.
599.
Excellent. 599 plus 10 equals what?
609.
Yes, that's right. Excellent. 609. Super Bowl. Now 609 plus 10.
619.
619. So let's write here 619. So the answer equals 619. Now, Omar, let's write the name of this strategy. What's the name of this strategy? By the name here, Omar, we use the number line. So the name of the strategy is a number line strategy. So write by using a number line. By using the number line. Omar Islam, thank you. You are excellent and super boy. I love you. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Now, my lovely boys, right here by using the number line. Now, let's move to the next page to answer the next question, but please write quickly, great. Now, grade 2, let's move to the next page, page 449 to answer number 2. Now, who's ready to answer number 2? And number 2, we want to use any strategy to get 426 plus 355. Okay, let's answer this question by a place value strategy. So I write here, let's write here 426 plus 355. Now who can answer the question? I choose now the super one whose name is Dari. Hello Dari, how are you? Hello Dari. Okay, let's choose Mazen to answer the question.
Hello, Mister.
Hello Dari. Are you sleeping, Dari? Thank you, Mazen, from now. Okay, thank you, Mazen. Bye. Okay, no problem, Dari. Now, Dari, let's take ones plus ones. Now we'll use a place value strategy to answer. This is called the place value strategy. Okay, so let's take ones plus ones, tens plus tens, then hundreds plus hundreds. 6 plus 5 equals what number?
6 plus 5.
11, but we can't write all the numbers, so write 1 and carry up 1. Now we have 1 plus 2 plus 5 equals what?
1 plus 2, 3 plus 5.
8, very good. That's right, very good. Here 8. Now 4 plus 3 equals what number?
Plus 3.
7. 7. So the answer equals 781. What's the name of the strategy? Right here by using place value strategy. Thank you, Dari. Bye.
Welcome.
Bye. By using place value strategy. So my lovely boys, this is called the place value strategy. Now let's answer the next question. Who's ready to answer this question? 671 plus 219. Let's use compensation to answer the question. Okay, here try to make one of these numbers a 100 number. Try to make one of these numbers a 100 number. Okay, I think it's easy to make 219 a 100 number. It's very easy to make it 200 by subtracting the 19. So let's write here minus 19. Let's write here minus 19. Okay, if we subtract 19 from this number, we have to add 19 to the next one. We have to add 19 to the second one. So let's write here plus 19. Plus 19. Okay. Now let's add and subtract. Who can add and subtract? Let's find who can add and subtract. I choose the super one whose name is Abdurrahman Omar. Hello, Abdurrahman. How are you?
Fine. Hello, Mr. Fine. Thank you.
Abdurrahman, let's add 19 to 671 and subtract 19 from 919. Okay? 671 plus 19 equals what number? I'll help you. Abdurrahman, I'll help you.
Equals 709.
Oh, 700 what?
9.
No, Abdurrahman, I'll help you. 671 plus 20 equals what?
671 plus 20 equal 80.
600. 671 plus 20 equals 691. Okay, equals 691, but it's 19, not 20. So the answer equals 690 only. Okay, 690. Yes, 690. Very good.
191.
Yes, you can use also place value. It's no problem. 1 plus 9, 10, 0, carry up 1. 1 plus 7 equals 8, 8 plus 1 equals 9, and 6 plus 1 equals 6. Now 219 minus 9 minus 19 equals what? 219 minus 19.
200 minus 9 equal 200.
200. 219 equals 200. Now we have 690 plus 200
yes.
equals what?
219 minus 19.
Abdurrahman, here we get
690 plus 200 equal 890.
890. That's right. Very good. Thank you, Abdurrahman. Bye.
890.
Yes, 890. That's right. 890. Okay. Thank you, Abdurrahman.
Welcome. Bye.
Now, my dear students, please make like this. Let's write the name of this strategy. It's called the compensation. So let's write by compensation. by compensation strategy. By compensation. Okay. We don't have S here. It's a compensation, not compensations. It's compensation. Don't write this S. We don't have S here. Compensation. By compensation strategy. Now, my lovely boys, let's answer the next question. Please write quickly, grade 2. Now let's answer question number 4. In question number 4, your friend uses compensation to solve. Is your friend correct? Explain. Here 182 plus 506. He tried to make one of these numbers a 100 number, so he subtracts 6 from 506. 506 becomes 500, and here he adds 6. 182 plus 6 equals 188. That's right. So here 188 plus 500 equals 688. That's right. So let's answer the question. Is your friend correct? Yes, he is correct. Let's write here yes. Now let's move to answer the next question. Grade 2, as usual, I'll show you a video about the next question, so please pay attention to understand it well.
Choose any strategy to solve. Explain how you solved. You have 567 pennies in a piggy bank and 428 in a jar. How many pennies do you have in all? You know you have 567 pennies in a piggy bank and 428 in a jar. You need to find how many pennies you have in all. Your addition equation is 567 plus 428 equals what number? First, add the ones. 7 plus 8 equals 15. Regroup 15 as 1 10 and 5 ones. Add the tens. 6 plus 2 plus 1 equals 9. Add the hundreds. 5 plus 4 equals 9. So 567 plus 428 equals 995. You have 995 pennies in all. To solve, you use place value to find the sum.
Okay, my lovely boys, please all of you write like this and write the name of the strategy. It's place value strategy. You can write by using place value strategy. Now let's answer the next question. Question number 5. Question number 5, choose any strategy to solve. Okay. A beekeeper has 494 worker bees and 376 drone bees. How many bees does he have in all? We want to get the total number of the bees. So we have to add. Let's add 494 plus 376. Okay. Okay, let's write here 494, 494 plus 376. Now who can get the sum? Who can answer? I'll choose the super one whose name is Tamim Saad. Hello Tamim, how are you?
Yes, Mr.
Tamim, let's get 494 plus 376. Let's start by ones. 4 plus 6 equals what number?
10.
10, but we can't write it in. So let's write 0 and carry
up 1.
Yes, now we have 1 plus 9 plus 7 equals what number?
17.
1 plus 9, 10, 10 plus 7, 17. Write 7 and carry up 1. Okay? Yes, that's right. Write 7 and carry up 1. Now we have 1 plus 4 plus 3 equals what number?
Equal 8. 870.
1 plus 4 equals 5. 5 plus 3 equals 8. So the answer equals 970. What's the name of this strategy?
800.
Yes, 870. What's the name of this strategy? Do you know the name of the strategy?
No.
It's called the place value strategy. Place value strategy. So let's write here by using place value strategy. Okay, right, by using place value strategy. Okay. Now, my dear students, let's answer the next question. There are 365 days in 1 year. How many days are there in 2 years? To get how many days in 2 years, you have to add 365 and 365. So because in 1 year, 365 days. So to get how many days in 2 years, it means 365 plus 365. Now let's write 365 plus 365. Now grade 2, I let the answer for you. You can use any strategy to get the answer, okay? You can use any strategy to get 365 plus 365. Think what's the most suitable strategy and tell me. Thank you, all of you, grade 2. Now the end of our today's session. I wish all of you understand this lesson. Be well, grade 2. Thanks all of you and goodbye.